Hi guys, so let's talk about worksheet 7.3 question number 7. I had a question from somebody and I thought I would help you with that. So let's think about this question. And the first thing I want to do here is make this big. Okay, so I went into your book and I've changed the question a little bit so it's only similar to so that you can still do that question. So the first thing I did is I changed the number of moles and I changed the substance. So then I went into your book to the appendix, I think it's G, so that I could find this value in that table. And now I'm ready to start the problem. I have everything I need. And I'm always going to start with the data in the question. So it's 1.7 moles of CuSO4. If you don't remember this formula and how to get the formula for a name, you should review that or you can Google it. So I want to convert it and my answer needs to come out in kilojoules. It's telling me released, and that's good because the number here is negative. And so for 1 mole, I would release negative 771.36 kilojoules. Moles will cancel. And so to do this in my calculator, I would take the 1.7 times this number. And I've already done this. I have to use my calculator on my phone because I didn't think ahead to bring it home. And I got negative 1,311.312 kilojoules. Now it's negative is saying released, and I would accept either the positive or the negative. I have two significant figures here, so I can only have two in my answer. So this would be 1,300 kilojoules, and you could either put in the negative sign or you could write released. I think it's probably easier just to use that negative sign. So thinking about this problem, if I wanted to extend it a little bit, make it another layer or another thing to do, I decided to go through with this question. It says, how many kilojoules of energy are released when 55.6 grams of this? So now I didn't give you moles, I gave you grams. There's only one more thing you have to do, but you always start with the number in the problem. And now I need the molar mass. And I did calculate this out earlier. And so there are 159.61 grams of CuSO4 for 1 mole of CuSO4. But I still need that same value that I got out of the table here, which is for 1 mole, since now grams are canceling out, it's negative 771.36 kilojoules for 1 mole. This I haven't calculated out, so let's get to it. So I put in 55.6. I need to divide by 159.61 and then multiply by negative 771.36 equals, and I get negative 268 excuse me, 0.7 kilojoules. Does my answer make sense? It does. Because knowing that this is a fraction is less than 1, I need to get a smaller number. And I have 3 significant digits, so this would be negative 269 kilojoules as my final answer. Hopefully that helps you. Let me know if you have any questions. I'll be posting this obviously to YouTube. Thanks for listening, and I will see you in class.